Streamers can monetize their passion with Blurp using bits. This is how you do it. Hey everyone, it's Odyssey, video editor with Blurp, and today I'm going to show you how to set up bit amounts for your Blurp sound effects and how your community can redeem them. Before we get into it, I'm going to assume that you've made an account on Blurp, you've downloaded the extension, and you've made a couple of boards. If you need any help with that, we got a video for you right here. Alright, let's get into it from the streamer side. Hop on over to your Twitch dashboard, extensions, my extensions, click settings, click open config. Under the content tab, you'll see my selected soundboards and simple mode. For all intents and purposes, let's just imagine this says standard mode. Here in standard mode, your viewers will have access to searchability within Blurp, and access to the Blurp's featured and customized soundboards right from the start. I've already replaced some of them and even made my own boards. You can have up to 8 featured boards at one time and they are all customizable. For instance, you can set the bit amount for the entire board. Click the drop down, choose your bit amount, set who you want to have access to this board, and it will update automatically. You can even go into the board itself and set the bit amount for each Blurp individually. Choose the Blurp you want to update, click the drop down, choose your bit amount, and click Save Blurps. Still in standard mode, on the left, you can set a universal or global amount for all Blurps searched. You can even set a blast amount, which is popping off 5 Blurps consecutively. Don't threaten me with a good time. In standard mode, you'll also be able to have the option of blocking music in your stream. This is automatically applied in simple mode. You can even set a maturity rating to fit your stream. Maturity? What's that? Alright, now that we're done with standard mode, let's take a look at simple mode. This is a great option for those set it and forget it types. If your live stream has a certain theme and you want sounds that are more tailored to your style, then simple mode might be for you. In simple mode, you'll set up everything the same as standard mode, but with a few caveats to keep in mind. Toggle on simple mode. In simple mode, search is disabled. Viewers can only play Blurps off of selected soundboards. Blocked music is enabled. Only Blurps recommended and custom soundboards can be used in simple mode. That takes care of the streamer side. Now we're going to take a look at the user side. All you have to do is head over to the Blurp panel in the About section, click the menu in the top left, click Share, scroll to the board you want to use, choose a Blurp, click the play icon, and then share. It's that simple. Just like that, you're one step closer to monetizing your passion and becoming a god tier streamer. With that said, that's going to be it for me today. Be sure to follow us for more streamer tips and funny clips. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite Blurp moments, be sure to follow us on our Discord, link in the description. If you got any comments, drop them down below, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button. It definitely helps with the algorithm here on YouTube. We'll be having videos like this every Tuesday and Friday, so consider subscribing to the channel. We would love to have you here. We'll see you next time.